been in one of those in the back because my foot was backwards. I don't recommend it. Foot was backwards, head was gushing blood, shin was snapped in half. The usual. Couple scratches. Nothing too crazy. I definitely didn't wear enough clothes for this. I'm hoping next week when I have off again, it's actually going to be 72 like it said it will be. It said 72 with a very low chance of rain. So I should be able to comfortably make more videos next week. But that stuff changes so often that I'm not going to be like, oh yeah, for sure. Because I don't know that. She is just staring into my soul right now. She's still staring. Is she going to notice the light screen? Thank you for looking away finally. Oh my. That made me uncomfortable. I hope we don't hit any more red lights, because I don't know what's going to happen if she stares much longer. Okay, good. I'm going to let this car get between us. There's a barrier. I'm going to take a long way home, because if I don't, this video is going to be like 4 minutes, and I'm just not going to upload it. So, I'm going to take a long way home, and hope that something else happens. I am tired of getting blown by the wind. But I gotta get more videos. Can't leave you guys hanging. So in the summer, it really sucks that this seat gets all hot and like really heats up, especially when I have to stop a lot. But not gonna lie, now that it's chilly out, the heated seat is kind of nice on the gentleman's region, keeping the boys warm. So now I'm not complaining about it. In the summer it's too warm, but now that it's chilly out, it's kind of nice. My bike may not have ABS, but it does have a ball warmer. Not sure what that was about. Also not sure why I did this to myself, because now I'm just going to be sitting in traffic for quite some time. So I think I'm going to not do that. Oh, I think that's Chick-fil-A. That smells so good. Now I'm hungry. Probably should eat. I like that blue. I mean, I was hoping something would happen, but it's not looking like it. And it will take me forever to get home if I keep going straight. That's going to add another half hour to my ride. Look at, yeah, I can't feel it. I should probably go to a doctor and see if I have Raynaud's syndrome or whatever it's called. I think the last time I've been to a doctor, like for a regular checkup, was actually exactly 3 years ago. Yeah. Not like exactly, but it was October, I remember. Because of the current situation I was in with somebody previously mentioned. But yeah, so I guess it's been 3 years since I've been to like a regular doctor appointment. I should probably change that. It's fine. I mean, even if I did have it, I don't think there's anything you can do about it. I'll just say, yeah, that sucks. wear gloves. Okay, now it's kind of blinking. So maybe it was just a lighting angle I had. Maybe the sun was shining on it too much so it looked like it wasn't flashing. I don't know. I think that's just about gonna do it for this one though. Hey, maybe stay in your lane next time when you take the turn instead of just cutting the whole corner. Anyways, I think that'll do it for this one. Unfortunately, kind of uneventful. I was really hoping to see some cool traffic, but of course it was all while I was at the bank. And I never got to see the taco biker again. Maybe next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, as always. Welcome to the channel if you're new. And thank you for subscribing. Hope you have a good rest of your day or evening, whenever you watch this. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.